Cash Giraffe shows not enough coins, even when you think you've earned enough, because reward thresholds are strict and can change based on availability, pending verification, or unprocessed earnings that haven't fully cleared yet. By the end, you'll know why your Cash Giraffe coins aren't counting toward rewards and the exact checks that usually fix it or explain what's actually happening. First thing to check is whether your coins are actually confirmed or still pending. A lot of users see coins added after tasks or offers, but those coins don't become redeemable immediately. If they're still processing, they won't count toward the reward balance yet, even though they appear in your total. Next, check the reward you're trying to claim. Some rewards require specific coin thresholds that are higher than expected, and smaller rewards may disappear temporarily when stock runs out. If a reward is unavailable in your region or temporarily out of stock, the app will still show your coins, but it won't let you redeem anything. Another common issue is offer tracking delays. Cash Giraffe earns coins through third-party offer networks, and those systems sometimes take time to validate activity. If the offer hasn't been fully confirmed, the coins can sit in a delayed state and won't contribute to redemption until verification completes. If everything looks correct but you still get the error, refresh the app data. Go into your phone settings, open Cash Giraffe, and clear cache. Then restart the app. This forces the app to reload your current coin balance and reward eligibility from the server instead of relying on outdated local data. Also, check for account syncing issues. If you've switched devices, reinstalled the app, or logged in with a different method, your balance may not fully sync. Make sure you're logged into the same account that earned the coins and give it a few minutes to resync after opening the app. One more factor is system-level restrictions. If background data is restricted, the app may not update your reward eligibility in real time. Turn off battery optimization for Cash Giraffe, and allow background data so it can sync properly. If none of these work, the issue is usually on the server side, meaning the app hasn't updated your eligibility yet, or there's a temporary mismatch between your balance and reward system. In that case, waiting and reopening the app later often resolves it. Quick summary: coins may be pending, rewards may be unavailable, or syncing may be delayed. Check pending status first, then reward availability, then refresh the app. Most not enough coins errors are actually timing or syncing issues, not missing earnings. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.